Hi y'all, it's Nichola again. Welcome back to my channel. So today I've just finished filming a video that is slightly different to what I usually make. I wonder if you could guess what it is. I'll give you 3 seconds to guess. So 3, 2, 1, you ready? So it is a autumn wardrobe update and a decluttering video. Decluttering video is what I love watching the most on YouTube. So yeah, I can't believe that I actually haven't made one. It's quite a substantial change in my wardrobe because I've decided that the current structure of how I organize my wardrobe doesn't really work for me anymore because I have basically got 4 different places in different rooms where I put my stuff. I just really want to be able to create an outfit using items that I can see in one go instead of having to go around different rooms, different places just to like grab an item here and there. So if you're interested to know more and find out how I did it, then please keep watching. Okay, and this is the final look. Change. So I'll show you what is the state of what I've got right now. As you can see, it's still quite a mixed match. This is kind of the system that I used to have, where I have kind of used a semi-Marie Kondo method of stacking my clothes up at the back and also here as well. But as I have more and more clothes, it just kind of getting to a point where it's not working for me so much anymore. So you can see like clothes here are like kind of hidden and more hidden, where I can't really access everything equally anymore. So I'm thinking that I might need to kind of have a clear out, get rid of some of the summer clothes that I have here and have a different structuring potentially. So here you can see I've got a rail. Actually it goes all the way across, but I only have some items here because I've got these 2 drawers here which are kind of in the way, especially now that my items are longer. So I'm thinking I need to kind of move around things a little bit to create more room, or potentially kind of change how I where I put things, because I have multiple wardrobes as well. On my everyday kind of getting ready routine at the moment, I tend to open this wardrobe up, look through the clothes here, so the tops and also some bottoms. But there's not a lot of selection here because these are becoming more of my at-home clothes or just kind of doing daily errands type of clothes. I have my bags here, but you can see it's a very different vibe altogether. So I think there's some sort of mismatch here, and the clothes that would match these bags when the clothes that are on the other side of the room, which is here. So you can see here, these are more kind of less casual than what I've shown you earlier, and these are stuff that I started to gravitate more recently. So you can see there's a lot of like night skirts, but I tend to wear them kind of high and low. So I'll have like skirt like this and I'll wear something a little bit more casual to mix and match. But again, like I said, I often have to use clothes that are from here and mix this stuff on the other cupboard. It just doesn't really work for me. So you can see this is the cupboard, and I've got some other bags that I don't use on a daily basis or I use less regularly for like special occasions up here. So normally when I get dressed, I tend to like go over here and then going back here. Actually, this is not it. In the other room I also have this rack over here which display some of the clothing that I've been wanting to wear but haven't quite yet, or haven't found a way to best like put them together. So I just have kind of bits and pieces here, and some of them I have it in sets ready to wear whenever the occasion arrives, but I somehow don't end up wearing these combinations. I end up going for my own combination on the day because I just change my mind all the time. So I need to find another way to like make this work as well, like to you know, make it more fit for purpose for what I need it for, to actually, you know, put together outfits. Otherwise this is just another extra storage space for me at the moment. And then also here I've got another wardrobe which is currently mainly my big winter coats, which I absolutely adore. But yeah, this is kind of like separate, and when I get ready I have to go basically look through every single wardrobe to get an outfit together, which doesn't really work for me at the moment. So let's see how I could brainstorm and see how I can make my getting dressed and getting ready flow better on a daily basis. So now I've removed some of the summer clothes from the wardrobe. Mainly they are bottom halves, as you can see here, and some of these kind of more holiday swimwear cover. Okay, so now I've put away all my summer clothes in this little suitcase, ready to close it up. Yay! You know what? I just have a little bit of rethink that actually there are a lot of clothes I own for the longest time, and if it has a version of me, then I guess it doesn't really serve me anymore. So I think I'm going to cull a little bit more. So I feel like these are definitely like previous version of myself, so I'm gonna get rid of these. So is this skirt. This is a very like a younger me vibe, even though I still quite like the idea of it, but yeah, just it doesn't resonate with me anymore. This white trousers I still really like, so I'm gonna keep this and take it out. This would go really well with the long boots for like this season as well. Oh, I love this top as well. It's got like a bit of a nice neckline here. This is more like a work top that I have. It's very straight and I got it from one of the personal stylists, like online type of thing. It's very kind of limited to just workwear, so I think I'm just gonna get rid of this. I have this jumper dress which I really like as well, and it says selectively social, which I think is still very much me, so I think I'm gonna keep it and take it out so I can just lounge around or like, you know, do errands in this. Which are the ones that I wear often. I brought out my long boots, my little booties, and my Doc Martens. For now I've decided that I would keep my sandals out because I haven't really got a chance to wear them very often in the summer. I thought I bought some of these like kind of longer socks and thicker socks which I can wear with these sandals, so it can be a transitional footwear that I can still wear in autumnal times. So yeah, let's see, I'm very excited to try that out. And then my usual trainers I still keep. I have these shoes that I've bought from Hong Kong, but I haven't worn yet actually, so I need to see how I can style them. I might have worn these once, but yeah. Apart from that, I have got rid of a few shoes as well here, and so this is what I've got. Oh, I missed a lot of these actually. I haven't seen these for a while. So it's this brown skirt, so as you can see these are all kind of short skirts, and I have this one as well, a green one. These are all very much my vibe, as well as corduroy long trousers. This is more of a velvety skirt, more of the party season, but I like to take this out as well. Oh, seems like I just want to take them all out. And so is this green one. It's very similar. Oh, this is actually a skirt. What else? It's just a normal pair of black trousers, which might come in handy. I really like this jumper, which is mohair, I believe. I love this. I got this in the sale last time. I've been liking to wear baby blue in kind of colder months as well. This is very, very soft, so I might give this another go. I might have it out for a little bit just to see what kind of combinations I can make. Yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I put some outfits together, let me know, or if there's any particular items you would like to see how I style it. I would be interested to see what you want to hear from me or see from me as well video wise, and I could start making these videos for you. And then I've got this fluffy jumper. I really like this color combination. It seems to be a thing for me at the moment. I was thinking maybe I would do a video that is based on all sorts of different color combinations that you can style with neutral colors but with a bit of pop color, such as like with blue or brown, because I seem to have a lot of kind of
beigey items, brown, and also blue. Those are the kind of main colors that I have. So yeah, if you want to see more of this, please comment below and let me know. Is it just me, or like this year I feel like it's much colder than usual? I just want to be in like as many layers as possible, so maybe I'll make use of this opportunity to explore different layering techniques as well. Now that I've like lost quite a lot of weight, I can actually put a lot more layers on without looking too bulky, so that might be something that I can try. And then this other one is a slightly high neck top. I absolutely love this one. It's a great layering piece. I've decided to put my thicker knits in this bag for now, so for when the weather is getting a little bit colder I can take it out easily. So I'm just going to put it aside. Here there is a few tops that I want to see whether I can rescue. As you can see here, this is quite bobbly here, and I've just done a test patch earlier, and you can see it's much better in this corner compared to the rest. So I think this is rescuable. So I've been using my steamery diamond shaver, so it works like this. Right, see? So this nice patch has extended now, because I think I've only worn it once or twice and I end up ripping it, so there's a hole here. But I was thinking actually that I could cut this sleeve off and ideally be a flat surface, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut this so it can be a layering piece, like a little sleeve neck layer. I decided that instead of having all those clothing stacked here, which is a bit unsightful, I decided to kind of move it down here so that I can see it kind of straight up, and I've got it in stacks of kind of like more my lounging wear here and my trousers, so I can free this shelf up to put something more pretty here. You see here my bags are a bit kind of very cramped, so I was thinking about reorganizing the bags so that it would fill both shelves, including some of the bags I have on the other side, which you can see over there. Cool, and that's all done here. Yay! This has got a really nice even color scheme, I feel, and I've got like a section here on the right hand side which are some of the clothing that I haven't really had a chance to wear yet, so then I can prioritize. So here I've divided up into dresses, which is on the far left, kind of slightly color coordinated based on kind of light to darkness, and then I've got some tops here, and then it is the bottom, so I've got like skirts like here and a lot of trousers here as well, so until here. I've got some light kind of middle layer of knits and outerwear, and then going on to kind of more blazer like jackets and things like that. So I've managed to put all my bags here together. Some of the more summery stuff I kind of placed them in the bigger bags, so they're other sides, but yeah, some of the colorful ones I still want it front and center because I like to switch it up and use it as a point of interest in my outfit if the outfit is a bit neutral and kind of like normal looking, because I like to have a bit of my personality shining through as well. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this. It's looking very much me here. I'm very excited to style my outfits with this new system in place. Thank you so much for getting to the end. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your time to declutter and update the wardrobe with me as well. I love you all very much. Your support means very much to me. Please hit the like and subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.